Let's make breakfast. Got some frozen Trader Joe's hash browns. Chicken sausage from my friend. It smells so good. Got some Kerrygold butter. My friend also loves some mushrooms. Look it up. Minced garlic. I got some leftover corn from Bonchon. I'm gonna throw it in here. This is the bowl that we're using for today. It's so gorgeous. Okay. Chicken sausage. The mushroom and corn. I also have a boiled egg, but it cracked. Right in the middle. My friend gifted me Japanese finishing salt. So I think it's perfect. Sprinkle some on. For my eggs, I want to try this jalapeno salt. Got some parsley. Looks so pretty, let me show you. Some ketchup and a bottle of sriracha next to me. Cheers.